Hi, I'm Ben Cloward, lead technical artist at Industrial Light and Magic and game industry veteran with over 25 years of experience making games. My focus is on shaders and rendering performance, and you may know me from my YouTube channel. This spring, I'll be hosting an online masterclass starting on March 16th. The class is called Making Optimized Game Assets. This class will be focused on helping entry-level artists learn to make game assets that are fast and efficient, and will cover making models, textures, particle effects, and shaders. We'll go over the principles together, and then you'll have the opportunity to apply the principles by working on 2 homework assignments. We'll go over the assignments together, and I'll give you one-on-one feedback and suggestions that are specific to the project you worked on. It's going to be great, and I'm looking forward to meeting you and helping you learn.